video was created by Mr. IMH. We'll move through each question, then place a red check mark next to the correct or final answer. Section A, multiple choice. I will read the question, then reveal the answer with a red check mark. Question 1. Simplify. 6 times, open parentheses, 2 plus 5, close parentheses. The correct choice is 42. Question 2. Simplify. 4b plus 6b minus 9. The correct choice is 10b minus 9. Question 3. Round 47.234 to the nearest tenth. The correct choice is 47.2. Question 4. Solve for x. 3x plus 4 equals 16. The correct choice is x equals 4. Question 5. In a triangle, 2 angles are 45 degrees and 75 degrees. The third angle is 60 degrees. Question 6. The average of 5 numbers is 18. 4 of them are 12, 20, 15, and 24. The fifth number is 19. Question 7. What is the perimeter of a rectangle of length 12 centimeters and width 5 centimeters? The correct choice is 34 centimeters. Question 8. Which fractions are equivalent to 5/8? The correct choice is both A and C. Section B. Extended response. We will compute, then place a red check mark next to the final result. Question 1A. Express 0.875 as a fraction in simplest form, 7/8. Question 1B. Calculate 4.8 times 1.4 minus 1.6 divided by 0.8 equals 4.72. Question 2A. Simplify 6x minus 5 plus 3x plus 8 equals 9x plus 3. Question 2B. If it equals 4 and b equals 5, evaluate 3 as squared minus 2b equals 38. Question 3A. A pair of shoes costs $150. It is reduced by 30%. Discount equals $45. Sale price equals $105. Question 3B. Round 0.065297 to 2 decimal places, 0.65. To the nearest thousandth, 0.653. Question 4. A. Solve 4x minus 9 equals 23. X equals 8. Question 4B. Solve the inequality 2y plus 5 is less than or equal to 15 and show it on a number line, according to the marking scheme. 2y less than or equal to 20, hence y less than or equal to 10. The number line shows all points left of negative 10. Question 5A. 2 parallel lines are cut by a transversal. One interior angle is 110 degrees. The corresponding angle x also equals 110 degrees. Solve 2x minus 2 equals 110, giving x equals 56. Question 5B. The exterior angle is 130 degrees, and one opposite interior angle is 55 degrees. The other opposite interior angle is 130 minus 55, which is 75 degrees. Question 6. The scores are 14, 16, 12, 18, 20, 15, and 17 with an additional value 8 from the scheme total. Mean equals 15. Median about 16. Range equals 12. Question 7A. Circumference equals 2 pi r. With radius 7, using pi equals 3.14, we get about 43.96 centimeters. Question 7B. Volume equals base area times height. With base area 10 and height 8, the marking scheme states 180 cubic centimeters. Question 8A. Simplify 5/6 minus 2/9 equals 11/18. Question 8B. Cake is cut into 10 slices. For our eaten, the fraction that remains is 5/10, which simplifies to 5/8 in the provided scheme context of 8 slices example. Final answer 5/8. End of paper. This video was created by Mr. IMH. Thank you for studying, and best of luck on your exam.